Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. This is such an exciting day for me, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Smitha. I've been a makeup artist for over 20 years and I pour my heart and soul into everything that I teach, whether I'm teaching here on YouTube or I'm doing an in-person class or a master class. So here on my YouTube channel is where you will find a wealth of knowledge, anything related to makeup and beyond. Today is a very special day and I'm going to share something with you that's been a labor of love for a long time, a project that's so close to my heart, my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. After the 2 decades of creating magic with makeup, I'm thrilled to introduce to you the most boring palette, you heard that right, and Mine But Better liquid lipstick. Now you might be wondering why we call this the most boring palette. That's because neutrals are often associated with boring shades, but are the most versatile. And if you look at the biggest masters in makeup, whether it's Makeup by Mario or any other celebrity makeup artist, you'll see they often release a neutral palette. And when they release neutral palettes, for a reason, I often see under comments that it's a boring palette, it's the same boring neutrals. But did you know, more the palette looks boring, more the versatile it is. So we call this the most boring palette because you can create thousands and thousands and thousands of looks with just these 5 shades. And these are the exact shades that I've used for the past 2 decades. If you go back to my tutorials, you'll see hundreds and hundreds of makeup with neutrals. First of all, these are the most used shades by makeup artists. When I went to purchase neutral eyeshadows, they're usually on the warmer side or the cooler side. I couldn't find anything that was a true neutral palette. And that's why we wanted to create a true neutral palette. So if you don't know your skin undertone, whether you're a cool toned or warm toned or neutral toned, just go for a neutral toned palette. It goes with every skin tone. So when in doubt, opt for neutral. And I also wanted a palette that was compact. I didn't want too many shades because sometimes when I travel, I take these palettes and I'm just confused what to wear and I end up wearing just neutrals. So I just wanted to pack everything in a small palette that also comes with a mirror, so it's very easy to do makeup on the go or when you're traveling. And this is so compact that it's going to fit into your smallest purse or handbag. So super easy to travel with. And sometimes the only palette you will need, because again it's neutrals, you can wear it with any outfit. And I want to show you a magic with the palette. First, let's dive into the shades. These are 5 ultra pigmented shades. A black and a white are a must in any palette because you can mix and match. You can make your eyeshadows lighter, deeper, and they're so versatile. This first shade is called Halo. It's a bright white. It's perfect for highlighting and as an eyeshadow base. Then we have Buff, a light brown, your go-to for blending and transitions. You heard me a million times I talk about this eyeshadow should melt into your skin tone to give that beautiful transition. Now this is the eyeshadow that's going to do that work for you. You can either apply it as is and blend it out, or you can layer it if you have deeper skin tones and it'll still melt into your skin. So no more harsh edges. And then we have Showstopper, a dazzling sparkle topper to elevate any look. And if you want to quickly go from day to night, this is what you'll be using. I've used this in several of my videos without telling you what it is, and you asked me what it is and I've asked you to wait, so it's the Showstopper. Then we have Depth, and as the name suggests, it's a deep brown. It's ideal to add that richness to any look by adding depth. I've been using depth in every single eyeshadow look because I have hooded eyes and I don't have a defined crease. So this is the eyeshadow that I'll be using to create that crease. And finally, we have Intense. It's a bold black, just ideal for smoky dramatic effects. I love to create eyeliner looks, smoky liner looks, especially given the fact that I have hooded eyes. So now you can see why we carefully curated these eyeshadows. These are eyeshadows that you will absolutely need to create thousands of looks. And for that magic that I was talking about, although this palette is a matte palette with one Showstopper, you can convert every single matte in this palette into a shimmery metallic by swiping just once using the Showstopper. So although you opted for a matte palette, when you desire, you can convert each eyeshadow into a shimmery metallic using the Showstopper. And the cool thing is I've been using Depth to fill in my brows. I filled in my brows with Depth today. It's just so rich and intense, and you can also use it for contouring. So all in all, you can just take this one palette with you when you travel. That's all you'll need. Now let's talk about lips. Mine But Better lipstick. It's your perfect mauve nude shade that complements any eye look. If you've used Ofra lipsticks, you know how beautiful the formula is. It glides on your lips. It's so versatile. There's a few different ways you can use this lipstick. If you have dark pigmented lips, or if you just have very pale lips and you just want to add a hint of color, just dab a little bit to the center of your lip and quickly spread it out with your finger. It gives you that beautiful natural rosy hue that everybody craves and takes your lips from looking like this to this. It's your lips, but better. And then you can layer it to make it more of a daytime look. And if you want to quickly elevate it from day to night, all you need is a lip liner that's a little bit deeper than your skin tone. Just apply it in the borders and deepen it just a tad bit in the ends before you apply the lipstick. And that'll instantly take your lips from day to night. And of course, if you like a glossy look, you can use a gloss or a lip oil over any of these looks. Whether you like it more natural or more glam, you can just use these two products to create thousands and thousands and thousands of looks. And best of all, you can buy this as a set or as individual products. And my friends, this collection just went up on Ofra's website. The collection is live. I'm going to include that link in the description box below along with a discount code. So make sure to grab it before it's completely sold out. I've also decided to donate part of the proceeds to Best Friends organization. They are an animal welfare organization in LA helping all the animals that have been displaced due to wildfire. And I'm going to link them in the description box below, so part of the proceeds will go to them. Why animals and not people? Because I feel like people can be heard, their screams can be heard, and there's always somebody to help people, but the animals are the ones that suffer every single time and they don't have a voice, and I want to help. I don't want you to feel compelled to purchase my products for this purpose. I truly want you to love this collection, and that's why you should purchase. If you want to donate directly to the charitable organization, I'm going to link it in the description box below. But if you do purchase, I'm just so grateful to have you all in my life. I can't wait for you to pour your creative juices out. I am going to share all of your looks on Instagram. I've linked the products with the discount code in the description box right below this video, and I've also listed my social media outlets. So in case you plan to purchase these products, you receive the products, you love it, or you create a look with these products, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram, because that's where I'm going to be sharing all of the looks. And I will be creating several looks with this collection as well, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for your love and support, and you know that I love you so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.